Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get verified on Binance, so let's start. Well, I'm here on Binance and let's go to the dashboard. Just click here and then let's go to dashboard. Here on dashboard will appear this option in case that your account has been not verified. So just click here on verify now and then we'll open this page with all the requirements that you need for verify your account. In this case, you can select the country. For example, I select mine and here appears the requirements. I need an official ID, passport or resident permit. So after you select the one, then you can click on continue. This change depending on the country. For example, if you select Belgium, you can select here what document do you need. To document upload or single document upload, passport or no Belgian ID card. So you can select here the country that is your preference or whatever country you want. So for example here Mexico, and then just click here on passport and then continue. Here's the document verification, so you have to upload a complete image of your ID document, ensure all details are readable in the image you upload, ensure document is the original and hasn't expired, and place documents against a solid colored background. So after that you read and you agree about it, just continue and then you can click on the picture with your phone or upload your picture depending on what you want, and then continue and here select the upload. When you select upload picture here, well, you press continue and then Binance will verify your identity and check if your picture is the high quality and have all the requirements needed, and if it is so, well, you can verify your Binance account without any problem. So that's how it works. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.